A secured card can start building your credit with as little as a $200 deposit, and the best ones in 2026 charge 0 annual fees. That means every dollar you put down works toward your credit line, not toward keeping the card open. By the end of this, you'll know 5 secured cards worth looking at, what makes each one useful, and which type of user they fit best. First, the Discover It Secured card. This one stands out because it offers cash back while helping build credit. You usually need at least a $200 deposit, and Discover reviews accounts starting at 7 months to see if you qualify to graduate to an unsecured card. That matters, because graduating can return your deposit. Second, the Capital One Platinum Secured card. This card is popular because some applicants can qualify with a lower security deposit than their actual credit limit. That lowers the upfront cost. It also reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, which is exactly what you want if your goal is rebuilding. Third, the Citi Secured MasterCard. This one keeps it simple. No rewards, no extras. Just a straightforward secured card focused on building payment history. The deposit usually starts at $200, and it's a solid option if you want fewer moving parts. Now here's where choosing the right card matters. If you want rewards while building credit, Discover usually makes the most sense. If you want a lower starting cash requirement, Capital One can be easier to get into. If you just want a basic card to rebuild and move on, Citi works. Fourth, the U.S. Bank Secured Visa card. This one gives flexible credit limits based on your deposit and has a mobile app that makes payments easy. That matters because paying on time is still the fastest way to build credit. Fifth, the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Secured card. This is one of the few secured cards that lets you earn rewards in categories like gas or online shopping. That makes it useful if you already spend in those categories every month. Here's how to use any of these the right way. Put one small bill on it, like Spotify or your phone bill. Keep your balance under 10% of the limit. Pay it off in full every month. That builds history and keeps utilization low. Quick summary. Discover is strong for rewards and graduation, Capital One is good for lower upfront cost, and Bank of America adds category rewards. Your next step is simple. Check how much deposit you can comfortably lock up before applying. If this saved you time, like the video and subscribe for more practical credit guides.